primed and color corrected my face. Now I'm using this L'Oreal foundation. With the help of stippling brush, I'm going to just buff it into my skin. This foundation is very lightweight and it just looks like second skin. That's what I really like about this foundation. And in this movie, Trisha makeup was very subtle and her makeup was very natural. So that's what I'm also trying to achieve it for. So I'm just using the patting motion and buffing into my skin. Now I am using a concealer to remove my tiredness under my eye area and also to spot correct. I'm using this concealer. This is a very lightweight concealer and it also matches exactly to my skin tone. So I'm not using kind of any highlighted concealer here because Trisha had, as I said before, she had very natural subtle look. So that's what I'm going here for. And also I'm using a very tiny brush just to blend it in. Set my under eye area, I'm going to use this loose powder in a tiny brush and I'm just going to set it because it's kind of dewy right now and I just wanted to make it all matte. That's what I'm using, a translucent powder. And to set rest of my face, I'm using this compact powder because it can add a little bit of pigment to the area that I really wanted. So I'm using a dabbing motion here to set my face. For eyebrows, she had pretty much filled in eyebrows and she also has that curve eyebrow to it. Mine is not that curvy but still I'm trying to achieve that and I'm building it up in a thick manner in the beginning and as I go I make it slender. She did not have any prominent eye makeup, but I'm just using this brown shade in a fluffy blending brush and concentrating that color only onto my crease area just to have that contoured effect to my eye area. So that's the only eyeshadow I'll be using. Okay, now I'm using a liquid liner here and applying it very thin in the inner corner, and as I go in the outer corner I have kept it like a rounded finish. That's how it looked in Trisha's eyes as well. Now I'm using this gold pencil and applying it on the upper tight line. Yes, upper waterline basically. So I'm applying it so that it does not look any gap in between your lashes. Now I'm taking the same gold pencil, applying it in the waterline as well as dragging that down to lower lash line ever so slightly, and then I'm using this angular brush and slightly smudging it off. And also she had mascara on, so I'm applying a thick layer, not a very thick layer, thin to thick layer of mascara here. So I felt like my face looked a little pale, so I just took this bronzer powder and applying that onto my outer perimeter of my face. I'm not typically doing contouring here, it's just warming up your face using a bronzer so that it just looks very sun-kissed and natural. Lips, I'm using a very light rose shade lip liner, outlining my lips, and then I'm using this shade, a very nude pink shade, and I'm applying that using a lip brush and applying it on my lips, and also I'm removing the excess off. that's it for this look. I hope you all enjoyed this recreation. If you really did, then do give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to leave your thoughts in the comment section. I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.